is. Baldazil, right there. That's fun. She's cozy. Our homemade boat wrap is holding up good, thankfully. There it is. Baldazil, right there. She's still sleeping. This is our Canadian boating, folks. She's wrapped up for a while still. Our slip is behind me, I guess back there. So we have until April, hopefully March, we can unwrap her and get her cleaned up in the water for April. But yeah, that's what we're facing. It's family day weekend. Want to come and check on her. That's what it is. Snowy mess. Lots of snow this winter. Lots of snow. I can't stand far enough back to get the whole boat because there's a lot of snow behind me. Big snowbank. Big snowbank. I can't see it in the picture, but there's our spot in the distance where we would keep our beautiful boat. Can't wait to get on you again, my belle.